In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme on Facebook Messenger. We'll be doing this on the web, so you'll follow along in a desktop browser. Changing your chat theme is a quick way to give your conversations a fresh look, and it only takes a moment once you know where to click. First, open Messenger on the web. That means heading to the Messenger website in your browser and making sure the page is fully loaded. You should see your list of recent conversations on the left and the active chat area on the right. Next, open a conversation. Click any person or group you want to customize. If you don't immediately see the one you're looking for, use the search bar at the top to type a name or group title. Themes are applied per conversation, so you'll pick the chat you want to update before changing how it looks. Now, look toward the top of the chat window and click the three dots icon. This is the More menu for the conversation. In the menu that opens, choose Customize Chat. This brings up the conversation settings where Messenger collects all the visual and personalization options in one place. From there, click Theme. You'll see a gallery of available looks, including seasonal themes, special collections, and classic color choices. Think of this panel as your palette. You can scroll through the options to preview how each one will adjust the background and accent colors for your chat. Finally, choose your preferred theme. Just click the one you like, and it will apply immediately to the conversation. You'll see the change right away, and the other person or group members will see it too. If you change your mind, you can come back to the same place and pick another theme at any time. Don't worry. Changing the theme for one conversation won't affect your other chats. Also note that chat themes are separate from overall light or dark mode in your browser or device settings. If some themes don't appear, your app may be outdated. Update Messenger to see all the available options. On the web, refreshing the page and keeping your browser up to date can also help ensure you're viewing the latest theme set. And that's it. Open Messenger on the web. Pick your conversation, go to the three dots, select Customize Chat, click Theme, and choose the look you love. Give it a try and make your chats feel a little more you.